For 25 years, the Ol-Otel Palau Fair, or OBF, has been the heart of Palau's cultural celebration. A gathering of artists, cultural practitioners, and communities from every state coming together to honor our heritage, showcase our creativity, and share our identity with the world. Born in 2001 under the guidance of the former Ministry of Community and Cultural Affairs and in partnership with the 16 states of Palau, the fair has grown into the largest and longest standing cultural festival in the Republic. Now, it is facilitated by the Ministry of Human Resources, Culture, Tourism and Development with the Bureau of Cultural and Historical Preservation. The OBF is more than a festival. It is a platform for cultural conservation and revitalization. It sparks creativity and innovation, strengthens identity, and ensures our heritage lives on for generations to come. After 25 years, we ask ourselves, how can OBF continue to bring the greatest value to our people, socially, culturally, economically, and environmentally? Can we connect our festival more closely to the other regional and international cultural movements? What lasting benefits can the fair bring to our artists, communities, and governments? How can OBF serve as a bridge to our state master plans, our national development, and the Pacific Regional Culture Strategy? Aklugo Vargid, Amlukral Eli. This year's theme is inspired by an ancient Pacific wisdom. Our future is in our past. In Palawan, we say, Riul, for what lies behind us, the unknown future, and Ue, for what lies before us, the past, clear and certain, always guiding us. The lessons of our ancestors stand before us, reminding us that our steps forward must be grounded in what we already know. The Ol-Otel Belao Fair is not just a celebration. It is an investment in our cultural future. It is where tradition meets innovation, where heritage guides creativity, and where community creates resilience. For the next 25 years and beyond, OBF will continue to be our platform for cultural innovation, for empowering artists, for uniting our people, and for sharing the Palauan spirit with the world. The Ol-Otel Belao Fair, 25 years strong, a future built from our past.